I'm going to be teaching you how to make an Easter egg on the Kano computer. This is because it's my Easter special and I want you to have an Easter egg for your families and friends. Let's get on with our Easter eggs. Okay, and we are on. So to make our egg, we need to go to Make Art. Yeah, then we're going to get here. And then we're going to go to Playground up here. And delete any stuff that's already there. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type background blue. So background. Okay, background blue. Then we're going to type colour yellow. Then we're typing ellipse 140, 180. Ellipse space 140, 180. Okay, and then we're going to make a new line. Then we're typing colour brown. Oh, did you just notice? I just noticed I forgot my P in ellipse. There we go, there's my ellipse. We've got colour brown. Then we're going to type move to, all one word, but with a capital T. Move, that's mother, that's mother again. Move, then capital T, 2, and then we're going to type 99, comma, 343. Then we're going to do new line. Then we're going to have, just a second, the rectangle 312, 100. Rectangle, what's it again? 312, 100. Okay, and we go to a new line. Oops. Then we go down, and look at that, we've got our basket there. Then we need to type move to, again, all one word. Move to. We move to 97, 390. So 97, 300. No, that's 8. 390. Okay, now we go new line, and then we need circle 20. Circle space 20. No, that's just 20. Then we go down, and we've got. Did it work? Oh no, that's a 6. When you're ever typing code, you've got to make sure you spell stuff correctly. Otherwise, it doesn't appear on the screen down here. Okay, we've got circle 20. Now we need move to 413, 386. So move to 413, 386. 413, 386. There we go, and you can see what's happening? Just a second. Do I need? Oh, oops. anyway, that was fine. So now it's our plus thing has moved over there. Now I need to write circle 20 again. Circle 20. Oh, that's just 20 again. And then we've got our other handle. Then we've got colour orange. Orange. Go down. And then we get move to 24627. So move to 246, comma space, 27. Oh, what happened there? Sorry about that, guys. 24627, comma 27. There we go. Oh, whoops, that did not work. New line, there we go. That did work. Then we need font. Then we need to do space. Then we need to do one of these, which is like a quotation mark. So font cosmic. So Cosmic Sans. Then we do another one of those apostrophe thingies. Then we do a comma and we write 30. Then we put text. Then in your apostrophes you can put whatever you like. I'm going to put Happy Easter. Happy Easter. This, nope, this. Then we go down and it says Happy Easter. Let me just zoom in for that on that for you. Happy Easter. There we go. See, Happy Easter with an egg. You could also put something down there. I'll show you how to do that now. Let me just zoom out. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to type. You just need to hover your mouse over where you want the text, and you put it. So you look down in this corner, and it will say the coordinates of your mouse. So mine is 244392. So we need move to 24439. Wait, just see. So 244390. Yeah. 244, comma 390. Then we go down, and we put text. Then our apostrophe thingy, and we put, I'm going to put from How2Toby. Then another apostrophe. Let's have a look. From Happy Easter from How2Toby. I'm just going to change that F to a capital F. And there we go. Happy Easter from How2Toby. If you want, you can just before the How2Toby bit, or like the text bit, you can put colour, and then any colour you want. I'm going to put red because it's my favourite colour. You put colour red, and then you just click down here, and it's changed from orange to red. There we go. Happy Easter from How2Toby. Let's have another look. So we've got Happy Easter from How2Toby. You like that? Bet you do. So I think that's all the make arc we're going to do. But to save it, you need to press save. Then I'm going to put Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Then you can put save, or you can put save wallpaper, which will save it in your wallpaper section of your files, so that you can put it as a wallpaper for your computer. So you can put save. There we go. And then you're going to go back to dashboard. And as I was saying about the wallpapers a few minutes ago, what you can do, to get a new wallpaper, you go to settings, which is down there in the bottom right corner, and then it should be in style, which is just there. You click style, and then you can get all of these different backgrounds. Look at that. Comment down below which one would you have. So look, there's my Easter egg one. You can see it there. That's nice. So we've got our Easter egg, and we need to. So let's say we want to choose that one. You just click on it and then press choose. Then your background is now your picture. There we go. Got our Happy Easter from How2Toby. Oh my goodness, what is happening to my mouse? There we go. I remember. What you need to do is you need to reboot your computer to get your things, to do any settings. You need to reboot it. And what you do is then you press reboot. But I'm not going to do that. It's going to take too long. So I think we should do the next bit on story mode. Okay, we're on story mode. Oh, that was there. So going into story mode, and here I am. It's me. Oh, it's a bit bright, isn't it? It's a bit bright, but you can see me all the same. So let's go to here. I think we should just zoom out a bit. There we go. And then, yeah, there I am. Listen to me. Let's go to a map and see where we haven't gone yet. Oh, we can go up, so we can find an undiscovered area. Ooh, so let's go up. Ooh, what's this? We haven't discovered this yet. Let's go inside the house. Let's go inside Harry's. You just have to walk up the door and say hello. So we've got, I'm Mozafat, Logic Master. What are logic gates? Only the building blocks of digital computers. What are logic gates? What are logic gates? Logic gates take ones and O's and zeros and input a single 1 or O. 0. Connect many logic gates together and you'll have a series of instructions for anything. That's cool. Okay. Let's sneak upstairs into this person's house. What's upstairs? Oh, that is a big bedroom. Look, I can go to sleep. How2Toby is sleepy. He's going to go to bed in his sunglasses. How2Toby is in his bed in his sunglasses. It's very, very suspicious. Very suspicious. Let's zoom back out again. I was being a bit silly there. So we've got, zoom out even more. Okay, then we've got me. I'm out of bed. I went through my covers and out of bed. That is weird. Really weird. Now let's go to up here. Oh, I'm stuck. Let's go up here. And then, you know what? I don't think we should do this story mode. So let's go press our escape, then press home and back to dashboard. Yes. Okay, so we're back. Oh, it's an Easter egg there. So why is it not anywhere else? Oh, that's weird. Oh, let's just change the background again. Oh, that looks like my house. It looks like it's my house now. I am owning that house. So let's change that background again. I think that's like the loading background. So let's see. Let's go back to style. Oh no, not advanced. Let's just scroll down again. Style. I don't think we should do my Easter egg for style. It's not going to be Easter for long. Let's choose. Which one should we choose? Let's choose this one. Yeah, this one. Then we can press choose. Then we've got this for our background. That's cool. Do you like that? Yeah, I think you do. I think you do like that. So let's close that and go. Oh, come on! I think you do have to reboot it to get the thing. I'll see you in 1 second once I've rebooted it. And we're back. I've just rebooted it and it's got our background. Look, it's nice. That's nice. That's good. It's good. But I think that's going to be all I'm going to do today. Even though I said I'd do lots of other stuff. Or did I say that? I don't think so. Don't even recall me saying that. So, let's... okay, bye for now. I'm out. Created and edited by Toby Aldridge. Camera, Toby Aldridge. Director, Toby Aldridge. Thanks for watching. And remember, smack that like button. Kick the comments. Punch that subscribe button. And ring that notification bell. All by How2Toby. See you next week with another Kano video. Bye. Bye.